Hello guys, I will try text-to-speech for this video. Y'all can comment if this is better. Anyways, welcome back to the Test Drive Unlimited series. Let's see what's left of the races. We'll be done with that in no time.
Your itinerary is being recalculated.
Epic time.
You have reached your destination.
Vroom 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 vroom.
3, 2, 1, go!
Turn right.
Oh shit. Reverse, you stupid vehicular device.
Turn right.
Y'all saw nothing. I made his chin too fucking big. Why did Chevy make that a pickup?
Start your engine.
Thanks to today's SP,
3, 2,
I don't have a sponsor.
1, go!
Turn left. Turn left. At the next intersection, turn left. Turn left. Turn left. Turn left. At the next intersection, turn left. Turn left.
You're taking to get it repaired? Okay. Just bring it back in good condition.
Go!
The Mercedes-Benz CLK GTR is a supercar in competition built by the German manufacturer Mercedes-Benz and Mercedes-AMG. Planned to compete in the FIA GT Championship in 1997. It was primarily designed to be a racing car, with some minor modifications to meet the homologation to be a street car. After successfully competing in 1997, the car was redesigned in 1998
At the
for
next
24 hours of Le
intersection,
Mans
turn
and
left.
renamed CLK-LM. The project was completed in 1999, being replaced by the Mercedes-Benz
Turn
CLR, a Le Mans prototype. Even after the GT1 class of the FIA canceled for the 1999 edition, Mercedes was required to deliver the 25 approved cars they had promised. The first copy was built in 1997 to meet FIA requirements, but this copy was not sold and was retained by Mercedes-Benz. The rest of the 25 specimens were built between the summer of 1998 and the winter of 1999 in the factory of a Falterback.
At the next
in Stuttgart.
intersection,
All
turn
copies of the
right.
CLK GTR were made to drive on the right,
At
with
the
steering
next
wheel on the left,
intersection,
except
turn
one
left.
made exclusively for the Sultan of Brunei Hassan Al Bolkiah.
Turn left.
The difference with the racing version was minimal. The comforts and refinements were to a minimum since Mercedes-Benz desire was to offer a real racing car and not increase the final price. The interiors are leather, and as an option there was a system of air conditioning. 2 small trunks were enabled and a traction control for safe driving. Bilmer Engineering made improvements to the engine, increasing the capacity from 5987 to 6898 cm Superscript 3, 6 to 6.9 liters, which, increased with the elimination of a racing air restrictor, provided a power of 673 horsepower, 663.8 HP, at 6,600 RPM, and a torque maximum of 786 Nm, 580 pounds FT, at 5,250 RPM, 45, while the normal version developed 612 horsepower,
next
603.6
intersection,
HP,
turn right.
at 6,800 RPM, and a maximum torque of 775 Nm, 572 pounds FT. At 5,250 RPM. .2 Mercedes, AMG announced an acceleration of 0 to 100 km/h, 62 miles per hour.
At the next
3.8
intersection,
seconds
turn
and a top
left.
speed of 320 kilometers/h, 199 miles per hour. Point 1. The Guinness Book of Records
Turn
registered the
left.
CLK GTR as the most expensive production car ever built so far, priced US $1,547,620. Born in the late 90s alongside the FIA GT1 category, as a model to standardize the competition variant with 25-unit Strass Inversion CLK GTR was designed and manufactured by AMG in just 4 months. 128 days after the paper sketch, the first CLK GTR was ready and tested on a Spanish circuit before receiving the green light. Unlike McLaren F1 GTR, which the British manufacturer derived from its street model, AMG took the opposite path, creating a race car that would later adapt to the road, which is why we are basically dealing with a racing car approved for the street. Same recipe which has been used more recently Ford for your current Ford GT. Thus, the CLK GTR shared very little with the conventional CLK, beyond the 4-round headlights and rear pilots. The street version was equipped with ABS because of increasing safety, but it did not have many more comforts. With Bernd Schneider behind the wheel, the first CLK GTR Racing managed to qualify for pole on the circuit of Hockenheimer in Germany at the end of March 1997. Meanwhile, more than 300 customers had already shown interest regarding the road version and stood in line to access one of those 25 units, of which 20 were coupes and 5 roadsters. After a busy season start, the CLK GTR won victories on the 8 one-ring circuits, the current one Red Bull Ring, Suzuka, Dunnington Park, Sebring, and Dry Lagoon, ensuring the title of builders for AMG and that of pilots for Bernd Schneider. Point 6. After the completion of the CLK GTR Coupe built, the Mercedes-AMG Specialist Group, HWAAG, who assisted in the construction of the CLK GTR, began construction of the roadster version of the CLK GTR. The
You
5
are
units were
driving in
built
the
both by
wrong
modifying an
direction.
existing
Please
CLK
turn
GTR
around.
and by building a new car from the
Turn
chassis
right.
and spare parts. These cars were modified by removing their roofs, as well as rebuilding the capos. The spoiler rear was also replaced by a different one, similar in appearance to that used in CLK GTR Racing. The convertible version also mounted a different grid, which had a star, the symbol of Mercedes-Benz, larger than that of the version coupe. It was later learned that a total of 6 CLK GTR Roadster units were actually built, but that the brand jealously guarded one of its garages without taking it up for sale. Until 2014, it was sold to an individual, and later, it has been made available to the prestigious auction house Bonhams for your auction. Point 7. Problems. In 2003, an AMG CLK GTR Roadster that had been acquired by US $1.7 million by Mark Johnston in the United States suffered mechanical problems after short driving tests, including transmission problems, failures in the hydraulic system, and window tires were unfinished. The engine eventually failed due to oil pressure problems, but Mercedes-Benz refused to make any repairs and claimed that it could not reimburse the car. Point 8. Super Sport. HWAAG also built 2 units of the new variant, known as the CLK GTR Super Sport. These cars were similar to the original CLK GTRs, albeit with the V12 engine 7,291 centimeters, Superscript 3, 7.3 liters, with a maximum power of 720 horsepower, 710 HP, 530 kilowatts, and 6,700 RPM of the new Mercedes-AMG 9, which was being used in the supercar Pagani Zonda S and F, and in the Mercedes-Benz SL73 AMG. The new version had a splitter additional front to obtain a greater attractive force against the ground and have greater stability at high speeds. It is capable of accelerating from 0 to 100 kilometers/h, 62 miles per hour, in just 3.0 seconds and rates its top speed at 375 kilometers/h, 233 miles per hour. Point 10. Yes, it's over. That was all of Mercedes CLK GTR Wikipedia. That was a fast-ass car.
You have reached your destination.
Three, two, one, go!
At the next intersection, turn left. Turn left. Turn left.
If y'all can't tell, that's a big-ass map.
Turn right. When you buy a vehicle,
I
make
doubt
sure
the
that it
D-Class
belongs
is
to
in
the
here.
group you need. You have reached your destination.
Maybe in here there's an E-Class. The GTR will do. Sorry guys, I won't be able to do part 2 today. We'll post some speed up footage instead. I don't have the time to do that.
Your itinerary is being recalculated. You have reached your destination.
Three, two, one, go!
17 kilometers is a lot of speed it up a little. Speed up in 3, 2, 1.
Turn right.
I would appreciate if y'all could subscribe. My goal is 3K by the end of next year, 2025. I hope y'all enjoyed Sci video as much as I enjoyed making it.